The metro woke up to ice today. Cars and trees were iced over as that rain fell down.
Yeah, the weather this morning was brutal for people in Scribner. Now, this is video from that area. Along with people losing power, there were downed trees and high winds. One woman told us she heard the noise of a tree limbs falling in the middle of the night.
The tree crashed down here on my neighbor's property right around 2 o'clock actually. We lost power at 3 and it's been sounding like a lumberjack yard out here ever since.
People in Scribner will be busy cleaning up the tree damage for a little while.